Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle, and with me is my husband Marzel and our daughter Trimel, and today we are heading to see Mass Nevi. Alright, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we're heading to Mass Nevi today. It was not in our plan to go see him today. However, we received a call yesterday from one of his church sisters that she said he was out, and I asked her out of what, if it's eye drops, because normally I know it's the eye drops, you know. I don't know, I just thought that it was the eye drops, but so she said no. Why would she call me to tell me that he's out?
Yeah, she's gone out.
So anyhow, he's out of gas, so we're making the trip today. We already made the call to the gas person, Ziggy, of course. He's the one who we always call to do the gas delivery for us. He has a bike and him fast and efficient, and him understanding too. So if we don't have the money, we can call him and tell him we'll pay him tomorrow or so, and him bring it. So big up to Ziggy for that. Alright, so we're heading there, and he's supposed to meet us there with the gas. And also we're taking some groceries for Mass Nevi. Not a lot today, but it's what we have right now. Huh? I did this, sir? Let me think I did up there, sir. Oh yeah, this, sir. Anyhow. Sun hot trim. Oh, you're tired already? You want me help? Oh. The dog will pull out. That's the best place.
You don't play with no mind.
Look what you doing.
I say I want to
disrupt.
There's Ziggy bike come there.
It's heavy for true.
Mango done. Yes, ma'am.
Even though the sun out, it feels cold, like, you know, it's soaring. Oh wow. You want to see some fresh mango that we just dropped? it. He said just go and come back and we don't sell you nothing. Huh?
Yeah, Ziggy there.
Oh no, Ziggy reach. Let me call him.
Run.
That was quick. You think we'd have reached before him?
Ziggy beat me. Yeah!
Him reach fast. I should have just wait for him to hop on the bike.
But he not ride your way.
Yeah.
Farmer! But there, Papa.
Yeah, the bunny.
Yes, I am.
Morning.
All right.
What's here again? It's 2 times apple tree beer. Remember last time we passed, none never depend it.
And what did they panic?
You don't know? We didn't see nothing.
Blossom, you said they panic. Blossom, they panic now. Blossom husband. Blossom husband.
Look, a lot of apples. Blossom husband.
Wow. And that tree red and pink. Could I?
Yeah, man, a whole heap of apples fall off. Guess no one eats apples anymore. The bag? Fit true?
Can't always depend on you, Ziggy. If show up before we. Huh? Yes, This is Martin Green. Yeah.
Ziggy, your first to man.
They're on your phone.
Oh.
They're on your video call.
Wow.
All right, we are going Nevi.
Yes, miss, please do. I am home. No, man. You can wash up.
Mr. Watson,
Try.
how are you keep up in here? Yeah? You're the boat? Yeah.
Mass Nevi.
Hey!
Morning.
Yes.
You guys come, man.
How are you?
Alright, bad man.
Well, like, you send message that you're out.
Yes, man.
How are you when that out where you're there, you know?
I don't know what to say. Oh,
He's saying out.
Somebody call and say out. Me like, out of what? Out of airdrop? She said, no, out of guess, I suppose.
you guys have to was.
I just done. I wonder if you use it 2 times a day.
No, sir. No, sir. I say, me know what people cannot sell them the Sunday. So, you alright, brother David? Yes, man. Alright.
Respect Mr. Green.
All right, Mr. Green. Lord G, you can't talk. I can't tell you when you say.
When? Oh.
Eh?
Yeah,
Yes, we are going to do that. Where you say, Mass Nevi?
So you go look wood and something?
Yes, we work wood for.
Because same thing I say rain and fall, so everything's supposed to wet.
Yeah, tell you say, well, it's not easy, but God in the midst, so.
Yeah.
And I consider that it might be the power rush, you know, if I'm stand till weekend,
Yes.
might go to come.
No, it's a weekend or that far still.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Man, because when you consider me, man.
Wow.
And God send it to you.
You know, most man, God really send
Because you up here and pray.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
But me I tell you, say, you see where me I come down there, to my child and about there. You,
Petal?
Petal. When me I come down there, I go to Yula. He call him, I will have a big call. Me just see a man stop and say, you know, say God said to you. When me look at $1,000 the man give me.
Yeah.
And I say, God tell me say, give me. I mean, you know, man.
Yeah.
Me say, look at that.
Yes, the Lord work in mysterious ways.
And that time, me didn't want to see him over.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, so you just God, anything can happen.
Yes, man. So how you want food?
Well, me have rice, but I'm going to salting busy.
Oh, no salting.
No salting. All the rest, if I put a rest, me not in pull it.
Yeah, we carry some more for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe about 2 pounds or so.
Yes, that's all right.
Mm-hmm.
Me don't know which time I go be.
Yeah, which time?
You know, you did my talk, say, you know, my time, I'm going to tell you which time.
Oh, I think you hear about one we come out and I not hear about that's
One they are foreign too.
Yeah.
One out of foreign.
Yeah,
Foreign stamp
Mexico.
that.
Yes.
The foreign stuff.
You never hear a language that I speak. Mexican language.
So Mass Nevi, we carry chicken for you too. We slaughtered chicken, so we bring you some. We cut it up already and everything.
Yes, ma'am. So me want me to go back the money to you, sir. Yeah, from myself for a long time, I say, you know, see you.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, me want from but if I need umbrella, I say a long time.
Umbrella?
Yeah, me get all the umbrella too.
Oh, you go since we did talk about the umbrella, you go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because at one point we had gone there, but she said, I guess it did clear up, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am, but I can't,
Okay. So Mass Nevi,
yeah.
carry your stuff then. Not a lot today.
No, I'm not. I'm going to start things on each other, you know.
Yeah. But the chicken frozen, so by later when you're ready to cook dinner with her.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Can't even find this.
So just season all of it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cook out where you cook on.
Okay.
Yes, I'll just put it up there.
I'll put the rice and stuff in here. Oh, okay. Oopsie. I have no rice with you.
Yes, ma'am.
We bring a baked bean here.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
And the mixed vegetable.
Yes, ma'am.
2 of them.
I'm going to tell the problem, you know, for me.
Some oats here to feel it is packaged one, so like a 1 cup. I hope you not drink enough oats one time. Some in here so too.
I will like you, but I don't get no drinking.
So you did out?
What? Yes, man. I told me about no gas and I said, he said, tell him I give the money. I have to say, go buy 1 pack of water and 1 last cup. They serve me 2 times.
Bring you 2 packs of sugar here, but a white sugar.
Yes, man.
And macaroni, and then you have a little brown rice. So if you run out of white rice, you can use that as backup. I know you don't like it.
Yes, man. Most man have to go out with anything.
So the chicken up here in the bag.
Yes, sir.
Well frozen, so when you're ready, you can.
The thing is, Lasco now.
You know no Lasco?
Right.
Well, where do you want Lasco for the mixed oats?
Yes, we mix the oats.
Oh.
And then I have to mix some oats today.
No, we not talk for today.
Then I have to mix some oats tomorrow.
No, we not have to mix, but still I go on to Lasco. Friday, me I go down. So God bless you, no man.
Where I go Friday?
Me I go down to Doctor Friday. Let me show you.
Clinic there Friday?
Me I go show you the papers.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yes.
That's what?
Yes,
Appointment?
yes, I go show you it. But I'm coming my attendance here tomorrow. Friday I'll call me.
Oh, you might not tell me how you are telling me.
Yes. I tell you.
Oh, where is it? For the 13, correct. 13 of June, so Friday.
So me I guess right.
Yeah, guess right, or you
know, man.
just remember.
Yeah, follow me.
So get something else then, I'll tell you.
Yes, man. That man.
Yeah.
That's it. Tomorrow, it's time for ready. They have to call me. You have to send come call me. Yeah. So for that, me say, me have to have it, you know.
Yes.
That's another problem there.
Because sometimes we're not in the area.
Yes, man, no, that man. We no busy man, but we still remember me, man.
Yes,
Yes,
man.
man, we still remember me.
We adapt you so we can't forget you.
Oh, God, you know me glad for me not have nobody. God, I tell me, I pray, me say, God, you go you no more. Me can't carry trouble too. No one else.
Yeah.
Tell him all your trouble, man. And he will answer by and by.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
You want song also?
Yes, man. Tell him all
Never hear that
about
yet.
your trouble. He will hear your humble cry. He will answer by and by. Have a little talk with Jesus, make it right. All right.
Yay!
Yes,
All right, Mass Nevi.
Mass Nevi in a good spirit this morning.
All the while, man, me not I can't sit up on the nose, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. Not consider.
Jesus.
Take him to Jesus, man. Look.
We never close what Mass Nevi pan.
Yeah?
We never close what the pan.
Yes, man.
You said poison, Mass Nevi?
No, man.
You sure me see one rat out of the way, you know?
Oh,
One big one.
Dead.
Up there.
Dead.
Yeah, I'm dry out.
Yes, man. I'm take him out.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh no.
I put him up there, sir.
Yes, I'm playing.
Him dry out, like really dry out.
Yes.
Not go on fame.
I say, walk that's in this here. I run at the drum there, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe I me go on the, I take out the humble, I go to say humble, make me look. Me see this in dry out, you know, me I say, but Jesus, God, I must have rat this here. I was no say, me not even know good, so me take me beer and I take out, me might tell me some wash off me hand also. So probably
You wash off your hand?
Yes. Probably trim out, me wash off me hand for 2.
How you have me? You
have one hand.
Wash you off.
One hand, yeah.
You have 2 hands.
Me wash me hand, me wash me hand. Yeah.
Oh,
Me say, dry out. And me trim out there.
yeah.
Okay, come here, say from me see you must spice your set or something.
Everybody praise them,
So
man.
maybe from that long time when you
Yes,
said the
I
pie.
long time around there. Are you not smell him, you know?
Are you smell him now you're there?
Yeah, me not smell him neither. Nah, smell him.
Whoa.
You say you look good when you trim, Mass Nevi.
What I say, I hold
You
him.
look neat.
I hold him, me say me barber.
Baba Chua.
Yes. Yeah,
Mass Nevi, me not bring you no flour, you know, because me know you say you don't like white flour.
me know a pound for me like.
The pound one?
Yes, man.
Think you didn't like white flour none at
And that
all.
one there up there so.
Me see, the package one?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you don't love that one?
Yes, man. What the pound for I know.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if I didn't know that. Now we can bring you some.
Yes, my pound flour is alright.
But weekend we come back.
Yeah, I don't know the motor and flour. Nothing. I'm till you, man.
If you are getting like ground produce like yam and sweet potato,
I made the plan. I picture that okay, so the man can't go near me down.
so everything damaged?
Yes, man. That's why me him. What me I tell you, say no? Me I want to WhatsApp tree down there, so man. And sometimes me want a little WhatsApp. Me can't climb the bigger one. I hate me because WhatsApp pan. Because I leave on. And the man can run me go tape on this WhatsApp tree. And me I tell you, me be me in the house and me hear the room. Me hear the room say, you see me go down there? You run me can't get up. You know, me have to chat on this WhatsApp tree, you know. To save me life, you know. And me tell the man and the man that say, boy, thanks. So me man that tell me, should have a king stand the hang.
You should cut each short.
Why?
At least you don't have ram if you eat.
If he eat, me say when he rap, me lay down a ground, he can't shove and he can't move.
Oh no.
And when me cut the rope, man, me have to call all the girl, his sister and show him. Say, look there. Remember, carry this how goodness.
Yep.
You're not done with you.
Yes, man. God bless you. For me, if me not get nothing, I may get the gas.
Yeah, you can make tea and you can, you know.
It'll keep me. I mean, I know where they win. And you see the position, me can't take the kitchen and go look. Would you not see it?
And it's far down there,
Yes,
so too.
man. Yeah, man. Bless you, man.
Okay. So you went to church Saturday though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But I never see you at the funeral.
Me no, Obiaso.
Yeah.
Me can't go funeral Saturday time.
Oh, it was a... Oh, for...
Sabbath. And the matter me say all when they cook I want him. Me tell you the truth, man. Me say man no eat pork. And you go to funeral, me say early funeral, I be a pork in my cap on give. And singing, so me no go. And you know, say me go try. Me go try like how me go a doctor there tomorrow. And me and this said one day no.
Try to go down there tomorrow, Friday.
Friday. Me and this said one day no. For you to look up beside them too, you know. And me and she walk my brother Palmer, you know, come from trek my brother Palmer, you know. And he turn to me and he talk about that. I mean, one say ladies so sick, you know. When me say in dead, me say what? And me and she walk for trek and a talk. He must suggest to me about Master Ball, say Master Ball run off and remember so in town. I know about town. But today you used to come sit down. Me and she didn't move good.
Yes.
Oh, boy, I'm shocked. No, them pork business party.
Okay.
I want to, you see when me there at town, I work.
Yes.
Then I came to my work on one house at town and the man, I do the Azingi house. And the man just take sick in my belly big.
Yeah.
And just take sick. And go to a doctor. And when you go to a doctor and dead, doctor say heart, the fat after the hog cover your heart. If you eat you see the hog where you see skin.
Yeah.
You can't take a chance and eat them, but you see fat hog them.
Yeah.
No, eat them, eat them, man.
I tell people about, you eat pork?
Me? Me used to eat pork when me there at home all the time.
You eat your fair share.
Yes. And when I eat pork at home, me used to work with a man named Mr. Banks. He used to look both hog and fowl and me run the farm. And he's going to poke, hit the pork meat on the head. And then one man named Cooley, one man named Bayer, you know, Cooley man, you know. When you see cook, he hag it, you know, Cooley people can't cook, you know. No joke with them, man. When you see them cook, he hag it, brother, you don't eat. Man named Bayer. Lord gosh, man could have cook. Cook one whole pot of hag head.
Oh boy.
But it's not a good thing if you feel upon.
Yes, yes. Alright, Mass Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
So until we see you next time.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, so we want to say thanks to all our donors.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All our supporters.
Yes,
everyone who reaches out. Thank you so much for your continued support.
Yeah.
And to those persons who, you know, now and again you'll send something and say, use it where the need is greatest.
Yes, ma'am.
Blessed love to you.
Yeah.
Alright, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican.
Yes.
Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
So you check with Miss Bell for something, you know?
Oh yeah, the bill, shop bill.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, sir. God go in and thank you very much, my boy. Me know what you want and nothing.
Yeah.
Just really for.
Yeah.
And me can hot it water. Help me, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright.
Yes,
Blessed love, guys.
Yeah. God bless.